Hi guys, this is Alex from BlackboxMyCar. The DR900S-2CH is BlackVue's latest and greatest flagship dashcam with exciting new features that drivers have been asking for. The most important and basic function of a dashcam is act as a silent witness. With its whopping 4K resolution equivalent to 4 times the pixel count and 2 times the resolution of Full HD 1080p, the BlackVue DR900S-2CH will be able to capture incidences and license plate numbers even better and clearer than before. In fact, the DR900S-2CH is currently the only dashcam on the market with such a high resolution sensor. Aside from this important feature, the product still has to perform up to the high standards of BlackVue's top tier dashcams. From Wi-Fi to GPS and even cloud functionality, the DR900S-2CH is able to provide it all. BlackVue markets the DR900S-2CH as truly the selection for those that want the very best dashcam with zero compromises. However, how does it compare with the formal BlackVue flagship, the DR750S-2CH? Design. It's clear that BlackVue has not swayed from its roots, but rather continued with its simple yet sleek and discreet cylindrical design similar to the DR750S. The copper rose gold accents around the ring of the front lens does allow the DR900S-2CH a subtle but attractive change from the DR750S. The use of the same design means that it is also nice for owners of the previous DR750S, as everything, mount including wire, are fully compatible with the DR900S. If one wants to upgrade, only the front and rear cameras need to be swapped out, but everything else is backwards compatible. Video quality. With the introduction of 4K, it's impossible to miss the vast improvement in video resolution between both cameras. The DR900S offers excellent video quality in the daytime with good dynamic range and minimal loss in optical clarity. The additional pixel count compared to any 1080p camera means the DR900S can capture more detail than other dashcams. License plates are captured in more detail from further distances than before. Obviously, this is important as the point of a dashcam is to act as a silent and always present witness to protect yourself against those who may be less than truthful in the event of an accident. Check out the side-by-side sample footage that showcases the notable differences between both cameras. As you can see, the BlackVue DR900S does offer significantly better video quality with the 4K quality. Notable features. As with previous top-of-the-line BlackVue products, both the DR900S and DR750S have the bells and whistles such as Wi-Fi, which allows users to easily view and download footage as well as change settings right from your smartphone. However, the DR900S steps it up a significant notch, offering additional support for the much faster Wi-Fi protocol at 5 GHz compared to 2.4 GHz with the DR750. What this means is faster transfer rates for downloading video clips off the camera should there be an incident, as well as even smoother live streaming off the DR900S. Another feature that BlackVue excels in is its cloud functionality. Today, no other dashcam manufacturer has the capability of what BlackVue can offer when it comes to cloud features. The ability to track the vehicle, view footage remotely, and even receive notification on the user's smartphones are just a few of the critical elements of the BlackVue over the cloud. Please note that this requires a mobile hotspot, whether tethered through a cell phone or a standalone Wi-Fi hotspot device. A great new feature the DR900S employs to help keep file size down is a new compression algorithm known as H.265 HEVC, high efficiency video coding. It's more efficient at compressing video, and it means that file sizes with the 4K DR900S are the same as the 1080p DR750S despite the significant improvement in resolution. Verdict. The BlackVue DR900S-2CH is the first 4K dashcam in the market from one of the leading dashcam manufacturers in the world. We like the impressive amount of details that DR900S-2CH can capture in terms of video quality and functions, and this camera is one of our top picks. If you don't need the 4K resolution or the DR900S is out of your price range, the DR750S-2CH is still an excellent Full HD camera, even though it has now had to hand over the crown to its successor. Nonetheless, it is still a great choice from one of the leading dashcam manufacturers in the market. Thank you for watching our video. We have so many dashcam options at BlackboxMyCar. Please come check us out on social media for the latest updates, contests, as well as upcoming dashcam news. Comment if you have any questions, and if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up.